Welcome back to TechCrumbs. Today we're going to show you how to erase all data and content from your Apple Watch without an iPhone. For that, we have to press the digital crown. In this case, it's an iPhone SE, which is my old Apple Watch, Apple Watch SE. So we press here, we go to settings, and here we have to go to general, and then we have to go all the way down. You can also go down with the digital crown, and we have to reset. And when we click reset, erase all contents and settings, or reset home screen. If you press here, it will ask you to erase all, and we would press it and it would erase everything on your Apple Watch, and it would need to be paired again with a phone. This is to do it without the phone in case you've lost your phone or you are doing something with your watch and you can't have your phone close by. This is the way to do it. So let's go ahead and do it one more time and just close that. And we press the digital crown in the middle. We go to the settings. In the settings, we basically go to general. When we press general, we go to reset, erase all contents and settings, and at the bottom, erase all. And that's how you would reset your Apple Watch SE without an iPhone at all. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below.